solve the equation x squared plus 1 equals 0. Since this is a quadratic equation, we should see if we can factor this equation to solve. If we can't find any factors, then the quadratic formula will always work to solve the equation. This equation x squared plus 1 equals 0 cannot be factored, so we are going to recall the quadratic formula. A is not equal to 0, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 has solutions opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. Let's put our equation x squared plus 1 into the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have x squared, and we're going to have plus 0x, since that term is missing, plus 1 equals 0. Now we can use our a, which is 1, and our b, which is 0, and our c, which is 1, to use in our quadratic formula. So, the opposite of b, so the opposite of 0 is just 0, plus or minus the square root of b squared, so 0 squared, minus 4ac, 4 times our a, which is 1, times our c, which is 1, which will all be divided by 2a, so 2 times 1, since our a is 1. And this will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 0 minus 4, so just a negative 4, all divided by 2. Since we have a negative number under the square root, negative 4, we will have complex solutions. Let's rewrite this as plus or minus the square root of negative 1 times 4 divided by 2. Now we can simplify this further, because we know that the square root of 4 equals 2. So we can use that to solve. So this is equal to plus or minus 2 times the square root of negative 1 divided by 2. We took the square root of 4 is equal to 2, so that came out in front, and what we're left with under our square root is negative 1. So we have 2 times the square root of negative 1 divided by 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this is equal to plus or minus just a 1 out here times the square root of negative 1. And if you recall, the square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So this is going to be equal to plus or minus I. Now let's split up our two solutions. So we have x equals I and x equals negative I.